Mack Leies, Northway Ford Lincoln, and I've got a question for you. What is that question today? Well, let's hear it. Are you missing 10 inches in your life? I want you to come see Mack Leies for your 10 inches, and let me show you how and why. 10 inches of lift. Look at this beauty. Big tires, big rims, no shortcuts, okay? We're looking at a limited 6.7 liter Power Stroke F350. Holy moly. Asked to take this thing outside to make this video. What do they say? No. Why is that? Too precious to see the outdoors. But you could see it in your driveway one day. Look at all that clearance, ladies and gentlemen. All right, you're thinking, okay, Mac, this is great. How am I going to get myself up into this huge truck? It's taller than you. You're a pretty decently sized guy. Well, this is what I have for you today. Pull on this handle, boom, drop down running boards. That's nice, easy step up for a gentleman like myself who is about 5 feet 9 inches. All right, so here we're looking at the F350 diesel lifted. This is a demo. Straight from the high end of the Northway Ford Lincoln. Mack Leies, M-L-E-I-E-S at northway.com. That is my email. You already know how it is. Come see me for this, all right? Get out of here.